It's been a minute since the last video. Show you what I got going on in the shop now. You see, it's been painted and everything. Got the doors back on it. No waves, you know, it look good, man. It look good. So back on. See nothing in the hood. And straight. Got this all put back together. I'm having a couple problems with the electrical, so tracing that. That's why you see that test light. But that's all put together. The door looking good. My work area is all straightened up. Got majority of my parts for my Blazer, that new headlights, lower, etc., etc. See that over there, getting the snow off of it, baking. That Traverse is mine. I had this one I had to put together. Bump the gate and fix the bumper. You can see it looks good, obviously, because I did it. Looks like a brand new gate. It's not. Got this one. This is a stolen recovery. Got some dents in the doors. As you can see, nothing there. I also took the airbag, so I had to replace the steering wheel. That's one of another. That one, this one. Last time you all seen the Malibu, it was on the rack. Fixed all that, bumped off the rocker. That looks good. Now you have to come back and mask off the inside and do the outside. So it's good. A couple dents on the doors, the fender, as well as quarter here and dog leg. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do these. I'm gonna try do them at least once a week, maybe every other week. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe.
I just wanna apologize in advance. I guess been better than niggas wasn't part of the plan. I see that change gon' make them change. The ones who thought was your right hand, and them niggas gon' envy when they see that you won't win. Like when them lights turned off, that's how you know that baby with it. But when I'm stage lights on, he don't hear nothing.